Today in this video we shall discuss about how to solve problems on mode. First we have to know what is the formula of mode. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 whole divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Then what do you mean by L, F1, F0, F2, H? First we have to know the terms. First, L is the lower limit of modal class. L is the lower limit of modal class. H is the size of the class interval. H is the size of the class interval. Assuming all classes to be equal. F1 is the frequency of modal class. F1 is the frequency of modal class. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. Preceding the modal class. This is modal class. Just preceding the modal class. Preceding modal class is F0 and F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the modal class. Frequency is the of the class succeeding. The frequency which preceding is F0. The frequency which is succeeding is F2. Frequency of class succeeding modal class is F2. F1 is the frequency of modal class. Remember, F1 is the frequency of modal class, F0 is the frequency of class preceding the modal class, and F2 is the frequency of class succeeding the modal class. Understand? Next, we solve some problems on mode. Mode is the observation which occurs most frequently among the given observation. The value of observation having maximum frequency is called mode. Mode of group data is the mode is the value lies in modal class and it is given by formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Next we solve problems on mode. Now here is the problem. Find the mode of the following data. Class interval. In class interval 1 to 3 frequency is 7, 3 to 5 frequency is 15, 5 to 7 frequency is 20, 7 to 9 frequency is 8, and 9 to 11 frequency is 1. And we have already have the formula for mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H, and the value of F1 is frequency of modal class, and what do you mean by F0 is frequency of the class preceding the modal class, and F2 is frequency which is succeeding modal class is F2, and L is the lower limit of modal class and H is the size of class interval. Next, here is the data. We have to find the values of frequency. Values of frequency are there, and we have to find value of H. You already know the previous problem of median, how to find out the value of H. H is equal to size of class interval 5 minus 3 or 7 minus 5, you have to take any value, then you get the answer is 2. And next we have to choose the value of F0, F1 and F2. First we write the formula of mode as Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 into F2 into H. Mod is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L is the lower limit of model class and H is the size of class interval. F1 is frequency of model class. You have to choose the value of F1 which is above F0. We have to choose the value F1 which is above F0. F0 is lesser. We have to choose the value here. We have to choose the value. Which value we have to choose? No, 15. I have choose 15. Is it above? No, 15 is less than 20. So I choose the value of F1 as 20. I choose the value of F1 as 20, and next this become F0 and this become F2. So value of L is the lower limit of model class is 7. No, value of model class is 5. We choose the lower limit of model class which is present in F0. F0 is 15, so we have to choose the value of L as 5, and F0 is 15, F1 is 20, F2 is 8. Understand? Value of L is 5 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 15 to F1 is 20. F1 is 20, F0 is 15 minus F2 is 8. H is the size of class interval. 9 minus 7 you got 2, 11 minus 9 you got 2. So this is the size of class interval. L is the lower limit of model class. The value which is F0, we choose the lower limit of model class as 5. Value of L is 5, F0 is 15, F1 is 20, F2 is 8. Value of H is 2. 5 plus 20 minus 15 is 5. 2 into 2 40. 40. 15 plus 8 is, what is the value of 15 plus 8? 15 plus 8 is 23. We have to subtract 40 from 23. What do you get? You get 17. I write 17 here into 2. Next, in the next step, we multiply 5 into 2 as 10. 10 by 17. 17 into 5 plus 10 divided by 17. 17 5s are 85. Is it right? 85? Is it right? 85 plus 10? 95. 95 by 17. You divide 17 by 95. In your lower classes, you have studied the division. 17 to 95. Then you divide yourself and find the answer what we have obtained. Now the answer is 5.588 into 23. Mode is 5.588 to 3. Understand? You note the formula. Formula of mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 whole into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. If you are given any series to solve or find the mode of the data, if the series is given like that 2, 3, 5, 3, 7, 3. Now to find the mode, you have to look at the which is value which is repeated. 3 is repeated, 3 is repeated, so mode is 3. The value which is most repeated is 3. If you are given to solve the problems like this, you are given the data and solve the problem of mode, then you have to use this formula. If you have any doubts, ask me in comment section. Thank you.